Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this beautiful crochet granny rectangle bookmark. For this project, you will need a darting needle to weave in your ends and then a 3mm hook. You can use a smaller one if you like. Some scissors. And then I have 3 different colors of this yarn. I will leave a link to the exact brand because this yarn is very small, very thin, and I feel like this yarn is perfect for bookmarks. So that's why I chose this one. To begin round 1, we will start with a slip knot. And then follow it by chaining 27. For row 2, we are going to skip 2 stitches and enter 3 double crochets into the 3rd stitch. So you just yarn over, pull your yarn through, yarn over again, draw through 2, and then yarn over, draw through the last 2. And then you're going to make 2 more double crochets in that same exact stitch. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches again and enter 3 double crochets into the 3rd stitch again. And you're going to repeat this process all the way down until you reach the very end, and I will meet you at the very end of row 2. We are at the end of row 2, almost of the end. We are entering our last 3 double crochets, and then in the very last stitch, which will be the next 3 stitches, you're going to enter only 1 double crochet in the very last stitch. I had a little bit of trouble putting my last double crochet in because my last stitch closed up a little bit, so I was finally able to get it through right here and make that last double crochet. And this is what it should be looking like so far, and then we're gonna end it with a chain 1 and then cut our string off to end the first color. And then we're just simply gonna pull our string through to tighten it and secure it. And there you go. The first color is done. For round 3, we are going to be adding our new color, and I do this by starting at one of the ends where it's just a 1 double crochet, and I add the color by making a simple little knot. So I'm going to be doing that right now, just adding it with a knot. Now I'm going to take my hook and bring the new yarn color through and chain 2. And then I'm going to make 2 more double crochets. The chain 2 works as the first double crochet, so we're just going to be making the next 2 double crochets in the end here. After the second double crochet, we're going to chain 2 and then make 3 more double crochets in the same hole. So you're just going to yarn over, make your first double crochet, your second double crochet, and then your third double crochet, and then one more time we're going to chain 2 and make your last set of 3 double crochets in the same hole, and this should make the form of the triangle. You can start to see it a little bit after you make this. And now we are going to just make 3 double crochets in each open space. So between each set of double crochets of the last row, we're going to be entering 3 more double crochets. And we're going to repeat this until the very end of this row, or until we reach the next corner. I am now making my last double crochet before I move on to the corner spot of this round. And just like as in the last corner, we are going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then your last 3 double crochet in the same open space. When you're done making your corner section, you're going to just repeat what you did on the opposite side by making 3 double crochets in each open space until the very end. I am now going to make the last 3 double crochets for the end of round 3. I am now going to make a slip knot into the first double crochet of this round, and then I'm going to chain 1 and cut my string, and you are done with your second color. All you have to do is pull your string through and make sure it's tightened. We are now going to add our last color, and again I'm going to start in one of the end sections and add the color by making a simple knot. Next, I'm going to take my hook and draw my string through, chain 2, yarn over, and make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And then I'm going to chain 2 and make 3 more double crochets in the same open space. In the next open space, we are going to repeat by making 3 double crochets, then chaining 2, and then 3 more double crochets in the same open space. Now we are just going to continue to make 3 double crochet stitches in each open space until we reach the next corner. We have now reached the corner of this row, and we are just going to make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. For the next open space, we are going to repeat by making 3 double crochets, chaining 2, and then 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. You are just now going to continue making 3 double crochets in each open space until you reach your starting point. Now we are just going to make a slip knot in the first double crochet that you made for round 4. And then you're going to chain 1 and cut your string. Pull the string through to secure it, and then there you go. The last part is to weave in all your ends, and I like to weave in my ends all on the same side. And then I weave in the same colors into each other so there's nothing clashing with each other. And this is the end result. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. And yeah, bye.